Hi, everyone. Welcome to module number 2. So for module number 2, we are going to be talking about two separate chapters. We're going to talk about chapter 2 and then chapter 3. So what are we going to learn in each of these chapters? So let's start with chapter 2, right? There are going to be a couple worksheets that you can keep and save for yourself just as a note for you. They aren't something you have to submit. They're just something that you could utilize because we're going to be talking about a couple different tools at our disposal for that financial planning process we talked about in chapter 1. So we're going to be talking about mapping out our financial future, and the tools we're going to use are the balance sheet. Now, if you're an accounting major, you may see that that's a little familiar to you, as well as an income and expense statement. They're not just accounting tools, right? They are also tools that me and you, can utilize to help track ourselves, right? Track how much money are we bringing in, how much money are we putting out, right? What is the income? What are the expenses, right? What are my assets? What are my liabilities? And what's my, in the accounting world's owner's equity, what is my net worth, right? Am I in the positive or in the negative, right? And we're going to learn that it's not necessarily a bad thing to have a negative net worth, as we'll soon see, right? We're also going to be utilizing these personal financial statements, something called cash in and cash out, right? That's something we're going to be talking about as well. How much cash are we bringing in? How much cash are we putting out? And that ties back into that the income and expense statement. We're also going to briefly talk about the time value of money. So this is future value and present value. So these are some concepts that are a little tough to learn, and they are more in line with investing, right? If you invested your money, what is the present value and what will that future value be? Chapter 3, that's going to be understanding everybody's favorite, taxes, right? There's only a couple things that are certain in life. One of them is that you'll always have to pay taxes. So we're going to understand federal income tax. We're going to learn about what taxable income is and how that gets calculated. We're going to talk about calculating and filing your taxes. Now, you're not going to walk away from here knowing, oh, I could just go all buy a professional software and do everyone's taxes. That's not the objective here. The whole objective here is just to get a firm understanding of what goes into taxes. We're going to talk about some filing considerations, and we're going to talk about planning effectively for taxes, because there's nothing worse than coming to tax season, which we already hate, and then getting slapped with a big bill because we didn't plan appropriately. All right, so that's it for this module. I say that's it, but that's a lot of material. So make sure you read your chapters. Make sure you look at the PowerPoints, all that kind of stuff, all the videos provided to you to help you out. Right? And then if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. All righty, I'll see you in the next one.